What's up, guys? Today I have another niche for you. So this is the coloring book also. So this is the cursing animals coloring book. So it's just a gag gift, funny gift for animal lovers or who like coloring book in general. So this only has 245 results. So let me show you how much people are making with this particular keyword. So I'm using KDP here. Just click on it. Just click on it. So the estimated monthly revenue of one of the books is $60,000 every single month. 40,000, 14,000, 6,000. So people are making a really good money off of this niche. So I suggest you get into this niche as soon as possible. So, and I'll show you how you can do all of this for free. Yes, how you can get the interiors, everything for free. So stay tuned. As you can see, let me just close this one. So basically, it's just a simple book with just a pretty cover and with just a lot of cats and dogs cursing. Just cursing. People love these things. So this also this funny one. So to get the keywords, first, I just go to I'm just gonna select this one. I'll show you a great tool here. So I just go to kdprank.com. And download this from free Chrome extension. Yes, it's free. The Chrome extension is free. Just download this and use it. It will show you everything. So it will, after you sign up on KDP Rank, it will show you kind of similar interface here. So you just paste in your keyword and you just search it. So it will give you all the keywords that you need for your subtitle and the rest of the keywords as you publish your book. So what you want to do is you want to choose a keyword with a high search volume and number of competing products are low. So you can filter this out, but I'm just going to show you how it's done. So as you can see, this Titan book, everyone sucks except. So these are the highest ranking and number of competitors are very low. So this is how you should do. You should do on KDP Rank. It's just free. Just download this. So let me go back to my tab. Yeah, here. So let me show you how you can get the interiors for free also. So you just go to kdpdownload.com. And search for your keyword. And unfortunately, I just found one book. You can download this, and you can even generate it with AI. It has free. So just go to kdpdownload.com and you can try that. So finally, go to kdptips.com to download your free bestsellers guide. I always repeat this. So have fun with this one, guys. This is the coloring book for today. This is the niche for today. Have fun with this one. Make money. I want you to make a lot of money here for bare minimum and for free. So